So in this video, we're wasting time, stroking shafts, and being visited by Soti. So, check this out guys. If you don't want to change your ball joint, just change your tires. So guys, we actually checked out the ball joints on the Jeep and they're pretty fine, so there's no need to change them. So all we did was change it back to the front tires, and now we're going to work on the Pajero. For some odd reason, daily driven Jeeps are starting to work on odd cars and not Jeeps anymore. Seems that everybody's breaking down except Jeeps. So let's get to that. So this is the Pajero in question, that's the jack in question, and everything is leaking oil.
And this is the tool in question.
That's the Soti in question. So what are we doing? I don't even know.
So,
going to change
the upper ball joint, lower ball joint, CV boots, and re-grease bearings.
That sounds like a lot of shit. So let's get cracking. Gotta put this camera somewhere and see what's going to happen.
So
that feels like deja vu. Didn't we just take tires off?
Yeah, we did.
Okay.
I'm an idiot.
That we know. It's the other side.
I looked at it like, this is too clean. I'm a fucking idiot. Alright, let's put it back on. We're having a great day. We are having a...
No. You just showed everybody how to take off your right hand tire.
There we go, that's it guys. And that's all for today. Thanks for coming.
Catch you guys next time. We'll be doing the other side. So while he's putting back to the wheel, let's check for damage. Rust. I don't think that's normal. Growing bushes on the car. Well, what's going on here?
It's for the old aerial.
Oh, okay. I thought it's a haul, pleasure haul. Look at these welds. It looks pretty neat.
Oh, they're about as good as your welds.
No, much better than mine, I guess. So I guess we're going to turn this around and try again on the other side. So doing this again, well, let's see. You can do it!
Okay, let's try again.
Yeah, putting it out and putting it back in is going to work now.
Definitely.
Okay, well, let's see.
Let's try this. See if the big man can get it right.
My back is sore.
Yep, not.
That's not going to work.
That's not going to work. Maybe what we need is some of this stuff. And
Your thing is
socket problem.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's see what happens now.
Let me just give you the right solution.
One time. Break a bar.
Not a breaker bar, but we make one.
There we go. There we go. It's like, who needs tools when you can make them? Let's find out.
This lefty loosey, righty tighty, ne?
Yeah. Okay. It's always the idea. Oh, much better. That usually works.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Like
just get a small extension.
And then we should be good. Just the joys of working on cars. You know what happened before. We love it. We love it. Mr. Toolman himself. This is basically like the snap-on shop. There we go. Ah, look, it's coming more often. Get people to work on my own car for me. It's basically all he's gonna do now, because the rest nobody knows how to do it except for me. So I'm actually useful for once. Donkey. Thank you, good sir. This is what we need, and that's your camera. That's good.
Okay, so we're doing ball joints.
Ball joints and CD boot. That's going to be absolutely great. So,
that's nice.
Yeah, this is lovely. Oh, what do you know what I think about me? That's making a click, clack, clack noise. All that noise on that side. And it's only when I'm on lock. It's only when I'm on lock. It might be the
Waiting.
the pinion. This thing over here. The
Pin.
thing. Gotch. This arm thing.
Thingamajigga, the
The
thingy.
The turny thingy turns the thingy from the other turny thingy. That ball joint is absolutely gone. So we're gonna have to replace it anyway. So
On the other side.
yeah.
Oh, lucky.
Pinion arm.
That's it.
That thing. But this is called the idle arm. What's changing that? So lots of fun. Let's get stuck into it.
I think I need a beer already. It's gonna be a long day. Playing with shafts.
In the hole. The absolute best. About 5 years later, we've decided to look like this and to look like this. To put this
And-
back in.
It's wet.
And it's wet. Ah, the joys, the things you do for cars.
Fits like a Lego.
I know, it should.
Almost.
Technically. I think.
Maybe.
That's the idea. Come on, in.
Maybe if you spit on it.
Come on. Stop being shy. Only hurts when you just go inside.
I know, it's the first.
A few inches later.
There you go. You just struggle and you eventually get it in. Only takes like 5 minutes.
Should have upped it a little bit.
That's like the first. Do you want the full 7 seconds or the extra long 9? You choose. Ah, the joys.
Sorry, Thomas, mom.
Sorry, mom. Sometimes the truth hurts, eh? So on this lower ball joint, torque spec is FT. Something tight. I'm pretty sure you can work it out.
So we're just speaking about this day. This day didn't work out at all as we planned. Supposed to do ball joints on the Jeep. That didn't turn out. We just changed tires. Doing ball joints on the Pajero. It's going okay. Then it got rained out. It's still raining. It's still wet. Thomas is dirty, he's full of benzene, he's full of water, rain. Just check this guy's ear.
Oh, the joys. The joys.
So what we've got left to do is put the drive shaft back.
Upper.
Shaft is done. This Pajero's got shafted. Upper ball joint, lower ball joint is in. Put the hub back.
Yeah.
Then the idler arm,
Yeah.
butt arm,
That's on. Temperature sender.
temperature sender,
Lights.
lights. What a day for DDJ. Working on Pajero. Well, I'm not even working, I'm just standing here and watching. Actually, for the first time in my life, I don't have to do something because somebody knows what they're doing. Thank goodness. So yeah, let's just get all this stuff done.
Shiny. Much better than Wiggly Boy. So far, no spare parts, so that's always good as well. It's always like, sometimes I'm the best mechanic in the world. I put the car together and I still have spare parts left over. That's when you know you've done a really good job. Welcome back to Four Wheeler here in America. We drink beer and play on four-wheel drives, playing with shafts and putting in the holes. Was it for the vital? Wait!
Is that?
No, go on, get it! Get in the hole!
Right, put it in the hole.
Get in the hole! Get it in the hole!
It's in.
She's in the hole. Four-wheeling, mixing gas and slapping ass on the home run.
Hey, look, the sun is shining.
What?
It's raining, but the sun is shining.
We love it. Wet, dirty, muddy, whatever. Yeah, nobody ever knows what's going on in this place.
We're gonna get flu
Yeah.
and sunburn today.
Yeah, literally. Ah, there we go.
Zet hem in, meedoen.
Zet hem in, je mooi ding.
Alright, so tell them what you've done.
So as you can see, we have everything back together. Nothing's broken, no spare parts. We have done upper ball joint, cotter pin, lower jaw point, cotter pin, front CV or outer CV, inner CV, boots, greased, back in, drive flange back on, greased the wheel bearing, straightened this thingamagodge, the heat shield, and now time to put on the caliper.
And then doing the
Oh yeah, this thingamagodge, this thing.
alarm.
Alarm, new one. Nice and shiny. So that hopefully is not going to take too long. I don't think so. Maybe not. We'll find out. That's the idea.
And this.
And then the pitman arm. That's going to be an absolute nightmare that side, but that's fine. We'll get it done today because we have to. So we have to show you guys that we're going to struggle somehow. You know, because we're the best 4x4ing channel in South Africa. So that's it. Send it. The aircon pump, I think. It's around there.
Aircon pump.
Yeah, the leak.
Oil.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. I just don't know where this random leak is coming from. So I've cleaned everything. Brake cleaner, Alice, like 3 times.
I know.
The engine.
Yeah.
Oh well, we are making good progress. I must say, we've done amazing work.
Yeah. So without kicking everything, new pit arm is in. It's just busy tightening that up. And then I'm not sure. We're going to do the headlights.
I think let's do them. Why not? We're just gonna find one power source. That's it. Which could be a mission or couldn't be that hard. We can maybe tap straight into the ignition. It's quite easy to open. Or find something in the engine bay that is direct power from ignition.
Auto electrician.
Auto electric.
Auto electric. So we've got some mods already for this Pajero. Well, Thomas got mods. Well, it's hard to explain.
Yeah.
It's mine, but his. Sort of.
Yeah, sort
So
of.
anyways, going to do that as well. Not sure if we're going to make it today, because the light is catching up on us. And I'm also getting hungry. More like angry.
What's with dry?
Hungry?
Hungry.
Yeah.
Hungry.
Okay, so once he finishes up, I think it's just wheels.
Just wheels, and yeah, I mean we don't have to wire in the daylight runnings. If we can put the headlights in.
Yeah.
And that will take a couple minutes, but I think we are ready to rock and roll. Put some tires on again. Another tech tip. How to take off and put on tires.
4 times today.
There we go.
5 times.
5 times. More.
Yes, like
6 times.
I've got no idea. I lost track. Anyways, we are better than the wheels shop
Alignment.
and
Straight.
alignment shop.
Straight. No one can even touch us with alignment.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll put back the wheels and report back to you guys.
Got another Jeep, guys.
So we decided, since they've driven Jeeps, haven't done anything on Jeeps today, we made a Jeep.
Who needs a Jeep when you can just make one?
It's an angry Jeep. So this is a new Jeep PJ. It's got a 2.8 diesel, 4x4,
Low range.
no solid axles, low range, and it needs some body work. That's it.
Otherwise,
Otherwise,
Jeeps are amazing.
Yeah, very good, very good. So, tell me what you guys think in the comments below of this new Jeep. Alright guys, so we're done for the day. Thomas the Man, Barnbuilds, go follow me on YouTube.
Up there, that thing.
Okay guys, thank you all for watching. I hope this Pajero is on the road now and safe and
Much better. At least I got steering now. Before there was like no steering. So I taught this oaf how to work on a Japanese thing. I got to learn how to work on an American thing. It's fucking smart all days.
exactly.
That's how we do it, guys.
So alright guys, thank you all for watching. Hope you keep safe.
And don't forget to always send it.
Cheers.